Breaking news that's coming in from Milan, Italy. Massive explosion in Milan being reported. Several vehicles gutted in fire. Reports suggest a parked van exploded. These are the visuals that you are seeing of this incident that is transpiring in Milan. My colleague Pradeep joins me live on the broadcast for more input. Pradeep, what more can you tell us? We can see these visuals of the fire being engulfed in this particular section. Where has this been reported in Italy, and what have they been able to ascertain so far?
See, Milan is one of the known cities in Italy. There has been a powerful explosion. What we came to know that the explosion was inside a van, and because of which the other vehicles that were parked nearby, they caught fire. And right now, the police has reached on spot. They have encircled the area, and they are not allowing people to come nearby. It's not clear what kind of explosion it was, what led to the blast inside this van. Because if we talk about the Milan city, it's one of the urbanized cities there in Italy. It's known for its architecture, and it's also home to the Vinci's last supper phases. So any given point of time, you'll find large number of tourists in this region. So there have been many people here, but so far nobody injured, no casualty reported. The police is there on spot. They have cordoned the area. Nobody's allowed to go nearby. But you can see, as in the visuals, the fire flares have engulfed most of the vehicles that were parked near this van. Because this van, all of a sudden, there was an explosion in the van that thundered the whole area. It shook almost the entire locality. The building shook. It created a panic among the people. They came rushing out of the buildings. And immediately after that, we saw that how the nearby vehicles that were parked were closer to that van, they caught fire. And the fire clears, as you can see on screen, that clearly indicates what has been the situation there on ground. The police and other security agencies, they have reached the spot. They have started investigation to look into the matter of what led to this blast, whether the terror-related incident. Nothing can be said right now because they haven't ruled out anything, because they will be properly investigating this matter. We have seen that in the past also there had been several attacks by the terrorists in the European city. So this time also there is an attack, so they are looking into this matter, and the investigation in this particular case is also on.
Pradeep, just a quick follow-up question. You are right, we'll have to wait for more details to emerge, but if you could just talk to us about these visuals that are coming in. Of course, we can see the footage of high plumes of black smoke. We also understand that firefighters are on the scene as well. We're just talking about these visuals that are coming in.
But see, if you look at these visuals, you can see, as you rightly said, the smoke billowing out. Fire clear can be seen that many of the vehicles are caught fire because there was shot fell back. There was an explosion inside one of the vans. Because of the explosion, the vehicles that were parked nearby, they caught fire. The black plumes of smoke can be seen rising, the smoke billowing out. Immediately after that, the firefighters have rushed the spot. Area has been cordoned. They are trying to prevent the fire from further spreading because there are nearby buildings also. As I said earlier, Milan is a city and a highly urbanized city. It's known for its architecture, and a large number of tourists often visit this place. So right now the area has been cordoned. Firefighters are trying to ensure that fire flames do not spread to other buildings nearby. So they are trying to control fire. So they are at their best, trying their level best to ensure that fire is extinguished at earliest. So they are trying their level best to extinguish fire. And the security agencies are investigating. They are trying to find out what led to this explosion.